गुड मॉर्निंग स्टुडंट्स. इनहेरिटन्स अँड व्हेरिएशन मधील आपण जेनेटिकल टर्मिनॉलॉजी हा पॉईंट बघत होतो. त्यानंतरची टर्म बघा काय आहे, F1 जनरेशन. F1 generation means first filial generation. It consists of all offsprings produced from parental cross, or you can say the offsprings are a product of sexual reproduction. Alternately, it is the first generation from given mating between pure parents, or you can say homologous parents having contrasting characters. Example, when pure tall parent is crossed with pure dwarf parent, they produce hybrid tall plant. Okay, and this generation or this first generation of these two pure parents or homologous parents is known as first filial generation or F1 generation. Next point is Punnett square or checkers boards. Simple है. It is a probability table or it is a diagrammatic representation of particular cross to predict the progeny of cross. बघा in detail मध्ये, it is probability table representing different permutation and combination of fertilization between gametes or parents of two opposite mating type, and types are homologous or heterozygous. In short, it is diagrammatic representation of particular cross to predict the progeny of cross. It is just a prediction. असा एक टेबल असतो आणि ह्या टेबलमध्ये अकॉर्डिंग टू पॅरेंट और अकॉर्डिंग टू क्रॉस कॉलम असतात आणि त्या कॉलममध्ये तुम्हाला प्रिडिक्टेड प्रोजेनी दिलेली असते. त्याच्यावरून तुम्हाला समजून घ्यायचं असतं की प्रोजेनी जी आहे ही प्युअर डॉर्फ असेल, प्युअर टॉल असेल का हायब्रिड असेल. ते एक एक्झाम्पल झालं. अशा पद्धतीनं जे प्रेडिक्शन मांडलेलं असतं इन फॉर्म ऑफ टेबल त्याला पुनेट स्क्वेअर म्हणायचं. ज्या वेळेला इन डिटेलमध्ये आपण मोनो हायब्रिड क्रॉस आणि डायहायब्रिड क्रॉस बघू त्यावेळेला तुम्हाला पुनेट स्क्वेअर आणि चेकर्स बोर्ड्स व्यवस्थित समजेल. फक्त आता इतकं लक्षात ठेवायचं, वन टेबल इज देअर और वन प्रोबॅबिलिटी और कॉम्बिनेशन टेबल इज देअर विच प्रिडिक्ट प्रोजेनी ऑफ क्रॉस. homologous chromosome. Morphologically, genetically, and structurally essential identical chromosomes present in cell are called homologous chromosome. बघा परत एकदा बघा. Morphologically means outer structure, genetically means genetical makeup, and structurally initial identical chromosomes present in diploid cell. Diploid cell mean when gamete fused with each other they form diploid cell. So they present in diploid cell. Those chromosomes are known as homologous chromosomes. Next one, back cross. It is a cross of F1 progeny with any of parent. Okay? बघा इथे एक एक्झाम्पल दिलं आहे. F1 tall progeny is crossed with pure tall parent. Another one is F1 tall progeny is crossed with pure dwarf parent. When this type of cross is there, then this cross is known as back cross. Progeny is crossed with parent, any of parent, recessive, dominant, whatever it may be, then it is known as back cross. Next one, test cross. It is a cross of F1 progeny with homozygous recessive parent. It is important, recessive parent. F1 progeny is crossed with recessive parent. बघा F1 tall progeny is crossed with pure dwarf parent. In pure dwarf and pure tall मध्ये pure dwarf is a recessive. F1 progeny is crossed with recessive parent, then it is known as test cross. Next one, phenotypic ratio. It is the ratio of offspring produced in F2 and subsequent generation with respect to their physical appearance. बघा इथे काय सांगितलंय, इथे एक इम्पॉर्टंट वर्ड आहे, तो आहे काय, फिजिकल अपीयरन्स. ओके. When 4 progenies are there and in that 3 are tall and 1 is dwarf, then it is known as physical appearance. This physical appearance is converted in a form of ratio. Then this ratio is known as phenotypic ratio. Okay. इथे example सांगितले बघा, 3 tall plants are there and 1 dwarf plant is there. Then ratio is 3:1. And this ratio is phenotypic ratio. Next one, genotypic ratio. Same, but one difference is there is that genetical makeup. It is the ratio of the offsprings produced in the F2 and subsequent generation with respect to their genetical makeup. Okay. इथे example काय सांगितले बघा, 1 pure tall plant is there, then 2 hybrid tall plants are there and 1 hybrid dwarf plant is there. Then genotypic ratio is 1:2:1. Monohybrid cross. A cross between parents differing in only one heritable trait is called monohybrid cross. Example, cross of pure tall and pure dwarf plant. Mendel performed the monohybrid cross between 2 pea plants with only one pair of the contrasting character. बघा, one heritable trait is an important word. When 2 parents are crossed with each other and there only one heritable trait is focused on for this experiment, then this experiment or this cross is known as monohybrid cross. इथे बघा example दिले तुम्हाला, pure tall parent is crossed with pure dwarf parent. Here only one contrasting character or only one heritable trait is focused. That's why this cross is known as monohybrid cross. Dihybrid cross. Exact opposite. A cross between parents differing in 2 heritable traits. In monohybrid cross, one heritable trait is there. Here 2 heritable traits are there, or 2 contrasting characteristics are there. Is called dihybrid cross. A cross of pure tall, round seeded plant with dwarf wrinkled seed plant. Mendel also performed the dihybrid cross between pea plants that differ in 2 pairs of the contrasting characters. 2 pair of contrasting characters are focused in that particular experiment or the cross, then this cross or experiment is known as dihybrid cross. Here round yellow, these are 2 characters. Wrinkled green are 2 characters. When these 2 heritable traits or contrasting characters are crossed with each other or the focused on this experiment, then this cross is known as